Hi there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to this video today. We're going to be talking about and covering tagging subscribers, applying tags to subscribers. So, first off, what is a tag? A tag is a label, an identifier that gets applied to a subscriber. Now, this kind of applies for Drip. I know that Aweber's starting to get tags going on in there, so I'm not sure where they're at with that, but this one here is just going to kind of show you some of the higher level things that you can do with tags. Now, tags are used, I know Infusionsoft uses, I don't think they're called tags, they're called something else, but it's similar to it. So the reason why you want to tag people is because you can basically put identifiers on them based on the actions that they performed, and because of the actions they performed, you can choose custom marketing actions and sequences to come their way, right? It sounds all fancy and technical and whatnot, but it really just helps you kind of segment your subscribers and keep things organized, which is very helpful. So you can have people, if they submit a form to get a free report, they get tagged with a tag that says free report, or if they didn't buy something, if they didn't take advantage of an offer that you broadcasted them, maybe you want to have them get tagged with didn't take advantage of something, right? So there's lots of different ways that you can use tags to organize. Now, once you go in and create segments, then that way it makes things easier as far as broadcast, because you can say, I want to broadcast just to this segment. And you've created that segment because it was a collection of people with this tag and this tag and this tag, right? So very helpful as far as the organizational side of things. So the other cool thing is that tags can be used to kick off other automations inside Drip. So if someone gets tagged with submitted a form, something like that, then that starts off an entire workflow that sends them different campaigns, different things. So that's a bit higher level stuff, but that's one of the things that you can do, additional things that you can do with tags. So tags are really just about keeping things organized, being able to search and track through your subscribers. And like I said, some stuff uses, some email autoresponders use email list, and some things use tags, and then essentially it's just one email list. So that's what we're going to cover there today. It's just learning about what's a tag, why it's important to you, and how you can use it in your email marketing there. I will see you in the next video.